I am going to Kohls, like right near my house, to go shopping because I don't have any shirts that like actually fit me, and I don't have any nice looking shirts for like when I want to go out. Not wear like a casual printed graphic t-shirt. So on my way now to Kohls to look for stuff. I'm hoping I'll be able to bring my phone with me to like vlog, but I can't promise it, but we'll see. If you see the video and there's stuff from inside the store, you know that I vlogged. If you don't, then I didn't, and I'm just apologizing to you ahead of time. Because I usually don't, because I get camera shy, and I know people don't like to be on video, so, or I don't want to like be invasive, so I just don't do that. God, it's freaking hot. It is freaking hot. And there's a Kohls literally right around the corner from my house. As you will see, it is literally right around the corner from my house. And I'm trying to remember, am I going in the right direction? I think I am. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's right down here. Oh, that's a nice Corvette. Yeah, it's right around here. It's in the shopping center where the Home Depot is. I was thinking about going to the Home Depot to get more detergent, so maybe I will, maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. Maybe I will. Maybe I won't. I don't know yet. We'll see how I feel when I get out of the store. It's beginning to feel a lot like spring mist. Excuse me. If you go past the Home Depot, you have all these things. And Kohls is right at the end here. No, you're good. I think I had the right of way, but I will let her go. There she is, Kohls. Actually, I'm gonna park here. I brought a light jacket with me in my car, but I really don't think I'm gonna need it, so I'm gonna leave it in my car. That's from Tarte. It's the Maracuja Juicy Lipstick and Pink Passion, because Pink Passion. So I went shopping at Kohls and I got my nephew a gift too, in addition to the clothes that I got for myself. I wound up getting an extra shirt that I picked out just walking through the aisles, but I knew that like one of the styles fit me, so I just got an extra one. And I switched out the denim one with the soft denim shirt for one that didn't have the thread coming out in the same size. And yeah, that's all I got. Kohls. So that's Kohls. That is Kohls. And it's freezing. The wind chill is so cold. I like froze on the way to my car and I'm still cold. I decided that I'm gonna go to to Home Depot because I do need detergent and I know they sell it at Home Depot, and then I'll go home and call it a day. But yeah, I wound up putting back about half the stuff that I picked out, but I also did pick out 2 of certain things because I didn't know which size to get because I lost about 60 pounds. And so, although I'm tall and I have a long torso, I'm like, I know I'm not, I don't know, that much smaller clothes-wise, but yeah. So I wound up getting like larges, which is fine. I can care less about the letter or the number, to be honest, but I'm gonna go inside a Home Depot to get some detergent and maybe another thing or 2 depending on what they have. If I see anything that speaks to me, and I'm definitely gonna wear my jacket because it is chilly outside. Oh, I can't park there. Okay. Going into Home Depot, but first I have to park. The one thing I don't like about Home Depot is the entrance is so far from the exit. Like, I really don't want to have to park this way. I might drive around again, and because I can't park in those spots. Those spots are off limits. Let's have some Chipotle. Let's not say we did it. No, I'm kidding. I'm gonna park in the middle of the entrance and the exit because I don't want to have to, with the wind, it's so cold. It's not cold, 56 degrees out, but with the wind, it's freezing. And this girl is just looking at me. No, you're not looking at me.